Hey there, property managers. Want to keep your tenants happy and engaged? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll share some essential tips to establish open and effective communication with your tenants. First off, open lines of communication are crucial. Offer multiple communication channels like phone, email, and an online portal. This way, tenants can choose their preferred method, making it easier for them to reach out and for you to respond. An online tenant portal can be a game changer. Set one up so tenants can access information about property policies, maintenance requests, and rent payments anytime. This 24/7 access supports a seamless living experience. Don't forget those emergency contacts. Clearly communicate emergency numbers or protocols for urgent situations like after-hours maintenance issues. This builds tenant confidence and ensures swift responses when needed. Now let's talk about keeping tenants informed. Regular property updates are a must. Keep tenants in the loop about upcoming maintenance, policy changes, and property improvements. Advance notice helps tenants plan and shows that you care about their convenience. Make sure your policies and procedures are crystal clear. Tenants should understand noise regulations, parking rules, and maintenance request procedures. Clear communication on these matters helps avoid misunderstandings and maintains property standards. Consistency is key. Stick to a regular schedule for communication like monthly or quarterly updates. This keeps tenants informed and reduces frustration over unexpected changes. Engage your tenants through community activities and feedback. Host events like meet and greet gatherings or seasonal activities to foster connections among tenants. This friendly environment boosts tenant satisfaction and encourages long-term residency. Conduct regular surveys or feedback sessions. Gathering tenant input on property improvements, amenities, or general concerns shows that you value their opinions. This creates a sense of partnership and trust. And remember, the move-in and move-out processes are perfect opportunities to engage with tenants. Welcome packets or exit surveys add a personal touch and provide useful feedback for future improvements. Sending monthly newsletters with property updates is a great example. Include information on property events, maintenance schedules, tips for maintaining their units, and important dates like rent due dates. This keeps tenants informed, engaged, and connected to the property. So, there you have it. By establishing open communication and engaging your tenants, you can create a positive rental experience, build tenant trust, and reduce turnover. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.